Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. So today we are going to be doing a mail haul Monday, which is basically a PR unboxing, and I'm super excited to see all of the goodies that came in. I'm also really excited because this coming weekend is the first weekend of the Sephora VIB sale. Whew, there is so many awesome things, and I'm so excited to go a little bit crazy on the Sephora site. Let me know down below what you guys plan on picking up, and if you want to see like a Sephora recommendations. I've been using a ton of different like makeup items here recently, and I really think that I want to do a video of recommendations because there's a bunch of really good new products that have came out recently. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. Before we get started, if you are new, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, so Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And make sure to click the bell notification so you're notified as soon as my videos go live. But I'm ready to dive in, so let's get started. Okay, first package we have, I'm actually not sure what this is or who it came from, so let's open it up. Ooh, this actually came from Octoly and Lejean. So this is the Kiss Me Day and Night set, and you get the sleeping lip mask as well as the lip glowy balm. And here is a close-up of that set. They do have a ton of different skincare sets at Sephora. And I know they have a ton of really good sets at Sephora. They have a lot of different holiday sets, so make sure to check those out. And again, thank you to Octoly for sending this over. Okay, next package that we have came from Allure, and this is the Allure Beauty Box, I believe. Let's see if I can get it open. And you guys, if I'm talking funny, I swear I must have bit my tongue over the weekend somehow, and it's like I'm not really feeling the best. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and let's see what they sent over in this box for this month. So the first thing I see is this little mini of the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I love the Bum Bum Cream. It's so good. Then we have a Model Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. Let's see what colors are in this. Ooh, these are really pretty. Very like fall appropriate too. Even though it's fall, I'm still into the like pinks and purple looks. I need to get into some more like smokies and browns. Then we have a Power Glow Peel. This is a exfoliating peel mask. We have the Lumify. What are these? I think they're eye drops. I love that. Okay, these are eye drops from the eye care experts. Just one drop works within a minute and lasts up to 8 hours to reduce the redness. We have these Eye Lights Metallic Eyeshadow, a mineral bath salt, and then very last thing, ooh, this is from Sunday Rally, and this is the ice, which I'm thinking is like a moisturizer. So thank you so much to Allure Beauty for that package. Very next package that we have came from Rimmel. Oh my goodness. There's like a ton of things in here. So we have some eyeshadow palettes, lots and lots of eyeshadow palettes, and we have a bunch of, oh, drop something. We have eyeliners and mascaras and brow products. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Rimmel. This is like so many items. Ooh, this is like almost like a lavender eyeliner. That looks really pretty. Ooh, and we have like some pot eyeliners. I love pot eyeliners. Like that's what used to be like my go-to. Ooh, and we even have the Stay Matte lip color. So thank you so much to Rimmel London for that package. Okay, next we have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I've been showing my boxes in like mail haul videos, so I wanted to open this one up. So it says Discover Yourself, and ooh, this month we actually do get a bag too. So let me take this out. So this bag is like the, I was gonna say it's like the mermaid, but when you flip it up, it's still the same color. So it's like just like a black sequin bag, but it's really nice. And on the back, it has a little like Betty Bop symbol. So let's see what all we got. So the first thing is the Betty Bop or Betty Boop X Ipsy eyeshadow palette. I haven't saw this before, so I wonder what kind of colors in here. Oh, well, I mean, it's like a nice hard packaging. These are actually really pretty. I feel like it's more of a cool tone palette. They look really nice. I'm not going to swatch them because a lot of times, like some of the Ipsy bags and stuff, I like to save for you guys. And I'm really going to try to do quite a few holiday giveaways, like coming up real soon. I want to do some like mystery boxes and stuff, and I'm finally getting to a point where life is slowing down a little bit. So that way I can get everything prepared. Okay, then we have the Lovecraft Beauty. I haven't actually heard of them. This is a bronzer palette. So you actually have 3 different bronzers, and these colors actually look pretty nice too. We have the Farrah brushes, and this is a brush set. So you get like it looks like a powder brush. This would probably be like a blush brush, and this could be like a foundation brush. Really good stuff. And then we have, ooh, the No Problem Priming Water by Touch and Soul. I actually have never tried this. I think I have their No Problem. It's like a primer water, but it's weird because it's like got it where you just like squirt it out the end. It's not like a spray. I'm like, is there instructions? No. It says how to use. This is the last step of skincare. Apply 1 to 2 drops of water oil on palm. Rub your hands and press gently into the face for a better makeup application. So I have to test this out. And is that it? No, here it is. The Jolie stick. I think this is like a highlighting stick. Let's see if it has how much everything is in the bag. Okay, so the Jolie stick is $26. The bronzer palette's $30. The priming water is $23. The Ipsy palette is $30. And then the brush set's actually $48. So really good value this month from Ipsy. Okay, next package came from L'Oreal. Okay, that about really messed up my nail. Oh my gosh, how cute. Just in time for Halloween. So this is like a little cat eye with a eyeliner from L'Oreal, like a Halloween set. And then we have, ooh, another one that has like a stencil eyeliner. And you can do like a cobweb eye. See how cute that is? Then we have some colored hairspray. So we have a pink one, a purple one, and a blue one. So thank you so much, L'Oreal, for that package. I really wish like the area that we lived in, we had a lot of trick-or-treaters. Like we live on a main road, but we literally like have never had one trick-or-treater in like 5 or 6 years. So probably not going to get any this year, but I need to have some candy just in case, because I would hate for our doorbell to ring and then we like have nothing to give out. Okay, next package came from Beautylish and Good Molecules. So here we go, like how it's packaged, super cute. And it says, handpicked in the Patagonia Austral of Chile. Okay, so this is the pure cold pressed rose hip seed oil. I've heard a lot of really good things about it. Okay, so what it says about this is warm a few drops up between your palms and gently press into damp skin. I feel like there's a lot of things that you can use this on. Let me know down below if you know, because I'm not really sure, but I know that I've heard of this. And I feel like you have a lot of ways that you can use it. Unless I'm like crazy and I don't know what I'm talking about. At this point, it's a little late at night, so I might be a little crazy. And a big thank you to Beautylish and Good Molecules for that package. So I had 2 items from Dermalogica, and I do not know where the other one went. Like, I had it somewhere. So this is the Replenish Body Oil. So there's 2 different things they sent over. This first one, it says, Replenish Body Oil. Replenish, calm, and moisturize skin with this Replenish Body Oil. It features antioxidant-rich blend of skin replenishing oils. And they also came out with a thermofoliant body scrub. So thank you so much, Dermalogica. I have got to find the other one because I love Dermalogica products. They're so good. And I do not know where in the world it went. So thank you all so much for that package. We have a package from Koki Cosmetics. If I can get it open. It says, Danielle, hope all is well. Cannot wait for you to try our entire lip liner collection. Koki has really good products. One of my favorite things from them, I believe, is their contour and face palette. Ooh, there's a lot of colors in here. So many different colors, and I love that they're all like nudie shades. Let's see. This is probably going to be like one of my favorites, so let's try it out. Y'all, this lip liner is so freaking creamy. That is the first color. So this is Pink Mauve. I've got to try like another color or two because they're so good. Okay, next we have Natural. They're so freaking creamy. They kind of remind me of like the ColourPop formula, except the thing I don't like about ColourPop is you actually have to sharpen them, where these actually roll up and they almost have like a gripper on the end. This one is called Dusty Rose. Yes. Look how pretty. Love those. Thank you so much, Koki Cosmetics, for that package. I will keep you guys updated on how they wear, but so far, like first impression, the formula feels really good. I have to have like a really creamy lip liner for my lips. Next, we have a package from Ghost Democracy. Okay, so it looks like they actually sent over quite a few products. So the first thing it says, Boomerang Firming Eye Concentrate. We have a transparent, gentle exfoliating daily cleanser. We have a clean, lightweight daily face moisturizer. And then we also have a light bulb vitamin C serum from Ghost Democracy. Thank you all so much for that package. Okay, last package is actually something I purchased myself that I wanted to show y'all. So, me, I like to wear things that like really suck me in. And so Spanx actually has leather leggings, or like leggings from Spanx brand. And so I ordered a pair. My friend actually had some and they looked really, really nice. So I decided to hop on the train. Let's see what they look like. Oh, I like how they like come like full on in like a long package. So here's what they look like. But they're like the faux leather leggings. They're super soft. But I did try hers on and they like really suck you in just like a pair of Spanx. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I about said thank you, Spanx, but I purchased these with my own money. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I cannot wait for the end of this week because I'm going to do Sephora recommendations. I'm also going to do what I bought in Paris and kind of give you guys a little bit of an update. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.